Right, Tanushree, thank you so much for sharing all those important details with us. We will quickly move on to this breaking news that's coming in, where in the latest in Delhi Mayoral case, hearing in the top court, the CJI has now said that nominated members cannot vote and constitutional provisions for the same are very clear. Well, those are big comments coming from the Supreme Court, considering that the Delhi mayor elections have been stalled thrice already. Now, the top court noted that the elections will take place on 16th of February and have adjourned the matter. I will be joined by my colleague Ishika live on the broadcast. Ishika, appreciate you joining us again. Now, this is big news coming in, considering that Delhi has been without a mayor for a while now, since when the MCD elections have been concluded, and now the entire pivot on which this issue rested has now turned, where now the CJI has clarified that nominated members, in fact, cannot vote, and the constitutional provisions are the same, are very clear for the same. Please share more details with our viewers.
Well, Raksha, certainly a big win for the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the fourth attempt for the mayoral polls. Now the Supreme Court, in fact, the CJI has observed that the nominated members, that are the eldermen, 10 of the eldermen, they cannot be voting in the mayoral polls, nor in the deputy mayor polls, or nor in the standing committee election. So definitely, this was the very point that the Aam Aadmi Party was demanding for a very long time, and this was the very issue on which the House was adjourned thrice. Until now, we are seeing that the Delhi has not yet gotten its mayor. Now, the other issues, that the Aam Aadmi Party has raised was that removal of Satya Sharma, who is currently the presiding officer, and has asked that the elections for the deputy mayor polls and as well as the elections for the standing committee should be done under, the mayor, the newly elected mayor, because if you remember last time, the presiding officer, Satya Sharma, had announced that all of these three elections will be held simultaneously. So the matter has now been adjourned for, February 17th, and the House, let's just remember that the House is again summoned for February 16th. That will be the fourth attempt for the Delhi to get its mayor. And this time, since now it is very clear from the Supreme Court itself that the eldermen will not be able to vote in the election, we'll have to wait and watch if there will be ruckus this time or not. Since, the Aam Aadmi Party has won this very fight in the top court. So we'll have to wait and watch for that. But definitely, Raksha, a very big win for the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the mayoral polls, where the Chief Justice of India has said that all the 10 nominated members of the LG will not be able to vote in any of the elections, and the other matters will be heard on February 17th. Over to you.